Kids Learning Videos by Naira and Kiana. Birds, a science presentation. Birds are amazing creatures that come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Let's learn more about them. Hummingbirds are often seen as symbols of joy, love, and positivity in many spiritual beliefs. They are known for their agility, resilience, and their ability to hover, which can be interpreted as a reminder to stay present and adapt to life's challenges with grace. Let's explore nature together. What are birds? Birds are animals that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Most birds can fly, but some, like penguins and ostriches, cannot. Birds lay eggs and take care of their babies. Feathers and their purpose. Feathers help birds stay warm and dry. They also help birds fly. Some birds have colorful feathers to attract mates or scare away enemies. Different types of birds. There are thousands of different birds. Some are big, like eagles, and some are tiny, like hummingbirds. Some live in forests, some near water, and some even in deserts. How birds fly. Birds have strong wings and light bones that help them fly. They flap their wings to move up and down and use their tails to steer. Some birds, like hawks, glide through the air without flapping much. Birds that cannot fly. Not all birds can fly. Penguins use their wings to swim in water. Ostriches and emus run fast instead of flying. These birds have strong legs to help them move quickly. What birds eat? Birds eat different foods depending on their type. Some eat seeds, some eat insects, and others eat fish or small animals. Birds use their beaks to catch and eat their food. Bird nests and eggs. Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. Some nests are in trees, some on the ground, and some even in cliffs. Baby birds hatch from eggs and are cared for by their parents. Birds and their sounds. Birds make many different sounds. Some chirp, some squawk, and some even sing. They use sounds to talk to each other, warn of danger, or find mates. Why birds are important? Birds help nature in many ways. They eat insects, spread seeds, and even help clean up the environment. Birds also make the world more beautiful with their songs and colors. Fun bird facts. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds and can fly backward. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. Parrots can learn to copy human words. The fastest bird is the peregrine falcon. It dives at super high speeds. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.